Hey guys, how's it going? Here with a little quick video, just show you guys some products of like some of the steering wheels going on that we sell. So I can see right here, I have the C7 steering wheel. It is VZ10 2113. If you guys want to go onto the website at vicrez.com to purchase your very own C7 steering wheel. These right here that I got, these three right here are supposed to be like custom ones that we have in stock right now, that if you guys want to purchase them. The part number for these three right here is VZ10 1454. If you guys want to purchase them, you know, if you guys like the style, like if you guys, let's say someone has like a red Corvette and you guys like the red leather, the red stitching, and the forged carbon fiber like this one, you could get this one. If you guys have like a yellow C7, there's this one that has the yellow Alcantara, yellow stitching, carbon fiber inlay. Or if you guys want something like default kind of look like this one, these two right here that I got are the default style for the C7, the LED version. This is the part number VZ10 2113. If you guys want to purchase them, we got these ones available. And then this one right here, another way you can kind of customize them is this one, you know, the person who ordered this one, but then, you know, canceled the order or returned it, you know, it's just something that we have in stock. They went with carbon fiber at the very top, and then they actually went forged carbon at the bottom. So if any of you guys want like something that looks like this, when you guys are purchasing your steering wheel, just make sure to email us or call us to let us know, like, oh, there's like a specific way that you want to go like half and half. We'll be able to do it. And then we have all types of different materials as well. You know, the Alcantara, you know, we have it in different colors. The leather as well in different colors. Inlay, the carbon fiber color as well. So if you guys like what you see here, anyone who has a C7 Corvette, you know, these ones right here are available to purchase on the website right now. Or if you want to go ahead and just purchase and customize your very own, you guys just go ahead and do that on the website. And yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys the C7 steering wheels that we have and all the different type of customizations you guys can do, on the website. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hope to see you guys soon on different future videos. Later, guys.